나는 진짜 배고파. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is Baegopa. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word Baegopa. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 137. Baegopa. Baegopa. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is be, the second syllable is go, the third syllable is pa. Pronounce it with me. Baegopa. Baegopa. The word baegopa is an adjective which is used to say that you are or I am hungry. How do we spell baegopa in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable be in Hangul, we need to draw first a B character followed by an E character. For the second syllable go, we need to draw first a G character followed by an O character. For the last syllable pa, we need to draw first a P character followed by an A character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word baegopa. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word baegopa, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, I am really hungry. The Korean translation of this sentence is 나는 진짜 배고파. Again, 나는 진짜 배고파. The first part of the sentence is 나는. This is the subject. Na means I and nun is just a subject particle added to it. The second part of the sentence is 진짜, which means really. The third part of the sentence is 배고파, which means hungry. So, if these three are combined, it will result to a sentence that means, I'm really hungry. Looking back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence, 나는 진짜 배고파, is simply, I'm really hungry. And with that, you've just learned 배고파. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 127 to 136. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 137, is baegopa. This is an adjective which means I'm hungry. Word number 136 is iroke. This is an adverb used to indicate that an action should be done like this or this way. Word number 135 is 혹시. This is used to say perhaps or by any chance, and this is used for inquiry. Word number 134 is 가족. This is a Korean noun for family. Word number 133 is 아빠. This is the Korean noun for dad. Word number 132 is 엄마, and this is the Korean noun for mom. Word number 131 is 놀다. This is a root verb which means to play. Word number 130 is 아파요. This is a semi-formal way of saying it hurts. Word number 127 is 잘 자요. This is a standard or casual way of saying sleep well or good night. Word number 128 is 우리. This is a pronoun which means we or our. And the last for our review is word number 127, uyu. This is the Korean noun for milk. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.